New comic book day. Got a package. I did get this off eBay again because the hour drive that I have to do to make it to my comic store just after a day of working doesn't feel real nice. So I'd rather just come home and have it waiting for me. And as you requested, I'm going to show all the unboxing madness, unlike last week. So get ready for that. Hang on to your seat. Okay. Trusty knife out here. So have a good week. I did. I'm just glad it is over. Good night. Stop shaking. It's a small week. So what? Oh, come on. Man, it's some... Okay. Says here, I'm going to read that. What's in red? The items highlighted on your invoice are currently out of stock. Available back ordered expected ship date 3/2/11. Well, it's smaller than I thought. Marine Man number 3 is out. How? I ordered it like a week before. I ordered it like on fucking Sunday. Man. Alright, let's just get to what did arrive. Finally, long-awaited Morning Glories, Volume 1, the trade. I got this for only $7.99, and it was going to be a deal anyway at $9.99, but hey, $7.99 for over 200 pages, not bad. I look forward to seeing what all the hype's been about, if there is any at all. Brightest Day 20. It's a pretty cool cover. I like the other one, but as they do with Aquaman, the cooler ones are always a variant, and I'm not into paying extra for the same story, just a different cover. And last, Batman 707. Drawing the line at $2.99. Well, why don't you draw the line at 10 cents, like it used to be?